Yeah, Mandoza, Krotman, Skelegeka, Galabese, yeah, ne. I'm out of words, I'm a kamatando unpelela, but I wanna check this jam with the tanky. We begin into the band, and Kalagato was a hit, Hotoba was a hit, Indota, Skelegaka, and many more were hits. Chinaveles Kulanga Guaito. All the tracks that you gave us were this Kutaza, Ekas Fera Tina Besama Sosha. You were a soldier, you fought till your last breath. Lala upumule mshem Agafangulene futina le kensi ya shine. Abafana now they never die, but they live on through the music. You were a father, brother and a husband to your wife who stood by you till your last breath. Set your salute, sifundelu kulu. Namanja will still live by the motto. Indotinga wana mshanje, kusasi ya pindivu. Rest in peace, lalu pumule. Kantabanye bati return if possible.